Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving as a major hub for travelers connecting between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Navigating through the airport and transferring to your next destination can be a daunting task, but with the right tips, you can have a smooth and stress-free experience. First and foremost, make sure to allow plenty of time for your transfer. Istanbul Airport is vast and can be crowded, so giving yourself some extra time can help avoid any potential delays. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the airport layout and signage before your trip, so you know where to go once you arrive. Another tip for a smooth transfer experience is to consider booking a private transfer service. This can save you time and hassle, as a driver will be waiting for you upon arrival and can take you directly to your next destination without any stops. In addition, it's important to keep all your travel documents, such as your passport and boarding pass, easily accessible. This will help speed up the transfer process and avoid any last-minute scrambling. Overall, by following these tips and being prepared, you can enjoy a smooth and seamless transfer experience at Istanbul Airport.